Place it all the way to the end of the barbell. Very easy to use and works perfectly. And then when you want to unload the other side,
all you gotta do is just throw it underneath your bar, rip it back, the barbell stands nicely. So that way you can slap some 45s on, no worries. Backed by a warranty, it makes changing plates easy and deloading easy.
Game changer, absolute game changer.
How good is that, Tom? That makes life so easy. Aren't we just so good to our members? Look how easy that is.
It just slides right on. And then it also helps with taking the weight off. Very handy.
Just got this barbell jack, and inside the box is the jack with the resistance band packaged nicely here. You know, one of the struggles with lifting is having to lift the barbell every time to take weights off and put them on again, but this barbell jack does a pretty great job, as you can see, with lifting the barbell to easily put weights on and take them off. I definitely recommend. It's sturdy, durable, and my go-to.
For all those guys that are having like 6 plates on there, this is very, very handy.
Have you ever found yourself at the gym doing some heavy deadlifts? And you're like, dang, this gym doesn't have a jack. So that's a barbell jack.
Let's test out the tolerance of this barbell jack. It's supposed to be able to hold 500 pounds. Okay, 1045s, that equals 450 pounds. Add another 100 for the 100-pound plate. Grand total, 550 pounds. So, 50 pounds over the advertised tolerance for the barbell jack.
Again, the hardest job here is definitely our loaders and rackers. These guys will finish up today and then go home, get a little bit, and come back and do it again. Cumulatively, they'll have lifted thousands of pounds. So one more time, let's hear it for our loaders and rackers. These guys are working their behinds off.
The weight here on this bar at the competition today at the Canadian Strength Games is 635. 635. And so what we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate how easy the barbell jack is. We just hook it under, no mess, no fuss. 2 fingers. Ready? Here we go. Boom. And there it is. Now we can change weights. Our backs are saved. It's a great product.
So this is what it looks like outside of the box. It's like not as big as the ones at the gym, and it still gets the job done, so I like that because this will fit in my gym backpack, honestly.
Easy access. No more injuring your back. And it's lightweight, so you can like pack it around in your bag. This is not sponsored, it's not an ad. This is a damn good tool.
I just used this for the first time today. They sent this to me months ago, and I didn't want to take all the plates off my bar, and I didn't want to struggle with it. So you just put it in there, pull back, lifts it up enough to slide the plate off.
Pretty stoked with the barbell jack from the barbell jack. Yeah, it came on sale for Father's Day, so I jumped on it. And I've been using all this time the technique.
Having one of these bad boys is just insanely helpful because it obviously means I'm not having to try and jerk a whole lot of weights off the bar. This tool helps you be able to basically rack and unrack your bar for deadlifts, Romanians, hip thrusts.
Oh, yeah. What's going on, guys? I just got the barbell jack. I am not sponsored by them, but I figured I'd give it a try. So it's pretty much a jack for your deadlift. All you gotta do is slide this part into the barbell, roll it back. As you can see, that was super simple. It's pretty sturdy. Rolling it back. I'd say it works pretty damn well. I'm out, guys. Peace.